Hey guys, my name is Jonathan Garcia and I'll be showing you my DIY project. I made an air hockey table. You're probably wondering how I made this. Well, it was simple. I grabbed this board, it was very thin, and you see I had to make some holes so where the air would come out. Well, each hole is 1 inch apart. There is 1,081 holes, and after that you have to grab the frame, which is this thing that's around it, all of this. Well, you see, you grab 2 pieces of wood, you cut a slit so where you can put this wood in here, and you put it all together. I grabbed the trim board, and the holes, I used a drill, and when you drill them, you drill 2 holes, and then right here, like when it was apart, I grabbed a saw and you cut it right here, so where you can just throw the puck right in there. The boxes of the score boxes I made out of wood, and I made it into an angle right here, like into an angle where it would be like that, where the puck would just go down, and just another one of these boards. The system, well, it pretty much works on a vacuum, and you're probably wondering, well, how do you play with it? Well, 3D printed pucks and paddle. I 3D printed them. They have my initials. It's pretty neat. It has the felt. Now I will be showing you how to make it. Well, it works on the vacuum. You connect it into the hole right here, the little slit, and you basically turn it on. When you turn it on, it starts to fly. Real simple, no hard details. Yes, I know you're probably saying it's really sloppy and, we didn't have that much time, but, I would have made it the best, but it still works.